Today we'll learn the whipped backstitch and the backstitch.
First, you create a short, simple stitch. Then you move up the same length, pull the needle through and go back in the same hole from the original stitch. Now you have 2 stitches forming a line. You continue in this way all the way down, stitch by stitch. The backstitch is an easy way to create lines for outlines, text, anything you need. Next, I'll show you how to make the whipped backstitch, which requires the backstitch. You'll do the exact same thing you did before, where you create short stitches, one after the other, by moving your needle forward a space, pulling it through, and putting it down into the same hole from the back of the last stitch. Once you're done, don't tie off your thread. It's time to weave it in. You'll push your needle underneath the back stitches that you created and pull it all the way through. You'll do this over and over again until you have a thick, solid line that is the whipped backstitch. I prefer using this one for any and all of my line work because of the solid line that it creates. When you finish weaving it in, simply poke your needle down through the front of the last stitch and tie off. Side by side, you can see the difference. The backstitch is pretty bumpy and the whip stitch is much more solid.